Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Come the 8th lunar month every year, the Hakka spirit comes alive as locals take over the streets of Pingzhen, a city located in Taoyuan County. The Pingzhen Hakka Parade and Carnival is held in honor of the gods in the hope that the deities will bless the villagers with an abundant harvest season. Locals not only march in the procession behind the figurines of various deities, but groups also try to outshine each other with various Hakka-themed performances.
Yo, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個
Leo。Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And here we're talking about the Hakka culture, the food, places to go, and events that take place. And now it's the month of September. 今天 Leo 是不是可以介绍客家人在这个月份是不是有什么样的活动啊、节庆啊、好玩的地方可以去？
好啊，
好。
我们今天就带大家去桃園平鎮。
桃園不是討厭，是桃園。哦，平鎮 Township in Taoyuan County. That's not too far from Taipei. 其實離台北還蠻方便的一個地方。
對啊。
平鎮有什麼活動呢？
客家彩節嘉年華會。
客家彩節嘉年華會。
彩節
哦，彩節。你後面就嘉年華會了嘛，對不對？
對，
聽得出來哦。其實這個字是從英文翻到中文，然後客語好就是
嘉年華會。
嘉年華會 Does that sound like carnival to you? 嘉年華 Carnival, all right? Okay, so this is a parade and carnival that takes place in Pingzhen Township in Taoyuan County. 这大概是这个月的什么时候举办的？
应该是在农历的8月11号左右。
Okay, so it takes place around the 11th day of the 8th lunar month here in Taiwan. 那有什么样的活动我们可以目睹到呢？
这个活动主要就是要感谢神明让保佑人民种的那个谷物都能丰收，所以在这段时间呢，就会有很多的表演，还有游行。
那一定很热闹了，对不对？
对，当然咯。
Okay. So this event is in honor of all the gods and to bring peace and more blessings to the citizens, of course. And there's going to be a lot of performances, and it's going to be very crowded and packed with people. 顺便介绍一下热闹怎么说啊？
闹捏，
闹捏，这是热闹的倒过来嘛？
对，
闹热，
是
不是 ？Okay, it's actually opposite from Mandarin, but it means something or an event that is very happening. It's packed, it's vibrant, 很热闹。So go check it out. It happens in Pingzhen County. So let's review these terms. 彩節嘉年華會怎麼說？
客家彩節嘉年華會。
彩節 that's strolling around the streets. 嘉年華會 that's the Carnival. So there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是谁張磊了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.